The 7 best vegetables to clean your blood vessels. Keeping our blood vessels clean and healthy is one of the best ways to ensure a long life free from diseases. Did you know that diet plays a crucial role in the health of our blood vessels? They are responsible for transporting blood, rich in oxygen and nutrients, to all parts of the body. When these vessels are blocked or damaged, blood circulation is impaired, increasing the risk of serious conditions like heart attacks and strokes. But the good news is that with the right food choices, especially by consuming certain vegetables, it's possible to help clean and protect our blood vessels. In this video, we'll explore the 7 best vegetables that can do wonders for the health of your vessels. Get ready to discover how simple changes in your diet can lead to significant benefits for your heart and overall health. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Here, you'll find valuable information to take care of your health and the well-being of your family. The importance of blood vessels in overall health. Blood vessels play a crucial role in maintaining the health of the body as a whole. They ensure that every cell in our body receives the necessary oxygen and nutrients to function properly. When blood vessels are clean and in good condition, blood flows easily, providing energy, vitality, and health to all organs and tissues. However, when vessels are obstructed or hardened due to plaque buildup, blood flow is compromised, leading to serious health conditions. Diseases like hypertension, atherosclerosis, heart attacks, and strokes are directly linked to the health of blood vessels. Additionally, healthy vessels also play a fundamental role in regulating blood pressure and preventing chronic diseases. Therefore, taking care of blood vessels is essential to maintaining cardiovascular health and overall well-being. This can be effectively achieved through diet. How diet affects blood vessels. Diet has a direct impact on the health of blood vessels. Foods rich in saturated fats, sugar, and salt, for example, can cause inflammation and contribute to plaque buildup in the arteries. This increases the risk of obstructions and hardening of the vessels. On the other hand, a diet rich in fruits, legumes, and vegetables can help prevent these problems by promoting blood vessel health. Vegetables, in particular, are rich in nutrients and bioactive compounds that help reduce inflammation, improve vessel elasticity, and prevent plaque buildup. They provide antioxidants, fibers, vitamins, and minerals essential for maintaining vascular health. For example, dark leafy greens like spinach and kale are rich in nitrates, which help dilate blood vessels and improve circulation. Vegetables like garlic and onions have properties that help reduce blood pressure and cholesterol, key factors in preventing cardiovascular diseases. Therefore, choosing the right vegetables to include in your diet can be a powerful strategy to clean and protect your blood vessels. This ensures healthy circulation and prevents serious diseases. Vegetable 1. Spinach. Spinach is one of the most powerful vegetables when it comes to taking care of blood vessels. Rich in natural nitrates, spinach helps relax blood vessels, promoting better blood circulation. Additionally, it's an excellent source of folic acid, a B-complex vitamin that plays a crucial role in reducing homocysteine levels in the blood. Homocysteine is an amino acid that, when elevated, can contribute to the hardening of arteries and plaque buildup. Regular consumption of spinach can help keep blood vessels flexible and healthy, preventing conditions like hypertension. Moreover, spinach is rich in antioxidants such as vitamin C and lutein, which help combat free radicals, protecting blood vessels from oxidative damage. Incorporating spinach into your diet can be an effective way to care for your cardiovascular system. This helps keep vessels clean and functioning properly. Vegetable 2. Broccoli. Broccoli is a vegetable known for its numerous health benefits, especially when it comes to protecting blood vessels. It contains sulforaphane, a bioactive compound that helps activate protective enzymes in the body, fighting inflammation and preventing plaque buildup in arteries. Furthermore, broccoli is rich in fiber, which helps reduce cholesterol levels in the blood, another important factor in maintaining vascular health. The presence of antioxidants like vitamin C in broccoli also contributes to protecting blood vessels from damage caused by free radicals. Regular consumption of broccoli can help keep blood vessels clean, improving circulation and reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. This versatile vegetable can be easily incorporated into various meals, from salads to hot dishes, making it a valuable addition to the diet for those looking to care for their blood vessel health. Vegetable 3. Garlic. Garlic is widely recognized for its medicinal properties, especially concerning cardiovascular health. One of the main benefits of garlic is its ability to help regulate blood pressure. This is due to the sulfur compounds in garlic, such as allicin, which promote the dilation of blood vessels, facilitating blood flow and reducing pressure on the arterial walls. Additionally, garlic can reduce cholesterol levels in the blood, contributing to the prevention of plaque buildup in arteries. Another important benefit of garlic is its antithrombotic action, which helps prevent blood clot formation, reducing the risk of heart attacks and strokes. Incorporating garlic into your daily diet can be a simple and effective way to protect blood vessels and promote long-term cardiovascular health. Vegetable 4, beetroot. Beetroot is another vegetable that offers remarkable benefits for blood vessel health. Rich in natural nitrates, beetroot helps dilate blood vessels, improving blood flow and reducing blood pressure. This effect is especially beneficial for cardiovascular health, as it helps prevent artery hardening and plaque formation. Additionally, beetroot contains antioxidants such as betalain, which help protect blood vessel cells from oxidative damage. This damage is one of the main factors contributing to cardiovascular disease development. Beetroot is also rich in fiber, which aids in reducing cholesterol levels, promoting blood vessel health. Regular consumption of beetroot, whether in juices, salads, or cooked dishes, can be an excellent way to keep blood vessels clean and circulation healthy. Vegetable 5, carrot. Carrots are best known for their benefits to vision, but they also play an important role in maintaining blood vessel health. Rich in antioxidants like beta-carotene, carrots help fight inflammation and protect blood vessels from damage caused by free radicals. Additionally, carrots contain fibers that help reduce cholesterol levels in the blood, preventing plaque buildup in arteries. Studies show that regular consumption of carrots can help reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases, such as heart attacks and strokes. This is achieved by keeping blood vessels clean and healthy. Carrots are a versatile vegetable that can be consumed in various ways, whether raw, cooked, or in juices. This makes them easy to include in your daily diet and contribute to cardiovascular health. Vegetable 6, kale. Kale is an extremely nutritious vegetable that offers numerous benefits for blood vessel health. It is rich in vitamin K, an essential nutrient for blood clotting and vascular health. Vitamin K helps prevent arterial calcification, a process that can lead to vessel hardening and an increased risk of cardiovascular diseases. Additionally, kale contains antioxidants such as quercetin, which help reduce inflammation and protect blood vessels from oxidative damage. Kale is also an excellent source of fiber, which helps reduce cholesterol levels, contributing to the cleaning of blood vessels. Incorporating kale into your diet, whether in salads, juices, or cooked dishes, is an effective way to protect cardiovascular health and keep blood vessels in excellent condition. Vegetable 7, tomato. Tomato is a highly nutritious vegetable that can work wonders for the health of blood vessels. Rich in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant, tomatoes help protect blood vessels from oxidative damage, reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Lycopene is also known for its ability to reduce LDL cholesterol levels, known as bad cholesterol. This type of cholesterol can accumulate on artery walls and lead to plaque development. Additionally, tomatoes contain potassium, a mineral that helps regulate blood pressure, promoting blood vessel health. Regular consumption of tomatoes, whether in salads, sauces, or juices, can help keep blood vessels clean and healthy. This helps prevent the risk of heart attacks and strokes. Incorporating tomatoes into your diet is a delicious and effective way to care for cardiovascular health. Tips for incorporating these vegetables into your daily diet. Incorporating these powerful vegetables into your daily diet can be easier than you think. One of the simplest ways is to add spinach and kale to salads or smoothies, ensuring a good nutrient intake early in the day. Garlic can be used as a seasoning in practically any dish, from soups to roasts, enhancing flavor and bringing health benefits. For broccoli, a tip is to lightly steam it to preserve its nutrients and then season it with olive oil and garlic. Beetroot can be consumed raw in salads, cooked, or even in juice form, combined with other vegetables like carrots for a sweet touch. Tomatoes, in turn, are extremely versatile and can be included in sauces, salads, and even juices. Finally, carrots can be consumed raw, grated in salads, or cooked, and also as a healthy snack throughout the day. With a little creativity, it's possible to add all these vegetables to your daily routine. This ensures not only delicious meals, but also a healthy heart and blood vessels. Keeping blood vessels clean and healthy is essential to ensuring a long life free from cardiovascular diseases. As we've seen, diet plays a crucial role in this process, and incorporating the right vegetables into your diet can make all the difference. Spinach, broccoli, garlic, beetroot, carrot, kale, and tomato are true allies in the fight for vascular health. They not only help clean and protect blood vessels, but also promote better circulation, reduce inflammation, and lower the risk of heart attacks and strokes. If you enjoyed this video and want to keep learning how to better care for your body, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. This way, you won't miss any new videos and will always stay well informed. And to continue deepening your knowledge, make sure to watch one of the 2 videos that will appear on the final screen. They're full of valuable information for your health. See you there.